Carolyn Gerdeman, and I'm a student of Todd Smith's. Let's see, I started working with Todd at the beginning of 2016, and my goal was to have 5 duplexes in basically 5 years. So I'm on my 2nd year. I just purchased my 2nd duplex. The first one Todd actually found for me that I bought last year, and then I found this one this year. I also did my first private lending. I borrowed for this 2nd property. Let's see, Todd has helped me with every aspect of it, to just purchasing it for the right price, and with renovations and repairs, finding and securing tenants. He's helped me through the process of eviction with one tenant. He knows what he's doing, and I will be having Todd help me in the future too, so I don't make stupid mistakes.
Awesome. So speaking of which, how much money did I just save you on the porch renovation?
Let's see, that would have been at least $6,000.
Right. So as they say, people think education is expensive, but ignorance is more expensive. So if we don't know what the costs are, then we can end up paying too much. So now, Carolyn, did you try any other more expensive programs before you found me?
I did.
Okay. Do you wish you had found me first before
Yes,
you paid
yes,
those
I
guys
do.
all that money?
I really, really do.
And you said, I guess we got the first deal done within about 6 months?
Yes,
Okay.
I did.
So I think that's important to mention, because a lot of times people have unrealistic expectations that they're going to get rich in 3 weeks, and it doesn't work like that. And had you followed my instructions more closely, do you think you could have be further along and faster?
Absolutely.
Okay. Awesome. Well, yeah, I think your future looks bright. I think you're doing. I love the fact that you're, creating this passive income that's going to, fund your retirement, and I'm happy that you chose me to be a part of it. Thanks, Carolyn.
Thanks, Todd.
Yeah.